friends, it's Alice Murray with Murr-made Designs, where I am attempting to show you 365 days of sewing makes. I'm yours truly. Today is just day 2. And this is my friend Joey. Joey helps me sew. He sits behind me on the chair while I'm sewing. Over there. So the outfit I want to show you today is Vogue 9131. Very easy, they say. It is I made version A here, the short pants. They have a sewn-in crease in the front, a mock fly zipper, waistband, pockets. They got darts in the back, but no pockets in the back. And new look 6407. Cute little top, and I made version B with version C's sleeves. It has a button placket down the front, darts in the front, darts in the back. You see they have all sorts of sleeve variations. And this is how it turned out. Just a very cool, comfortable summer outfit. The pants fit good. I like the waistband. I like the pockets. I wish I would have thought to put back pockets in. I like to have my phone just stuffed in my back pocket while I'm out and about on the farm here, out in my garden. The mock fly zipper gave me a run for my money. I'm not sure I actually got it in right yet, but I got it in and it works. And then there's a button at the top. You can see the sewn-in creases. The top I made from 1 meter of material. I like to call them my marvelous 1 meters. In Canada, we have 1 meter of material, which is 39 inches, and in America, they are called yards, which are 36 inches. So we've got 3 more inches to work with here in Canada. I got this from Fabricland, from their curbside pickup. It was early in the curbside pickup game, and they asked me what I wanted, and I just said whatever, and this is what they gave me. And I thought it was quite cheerful looking, and so I thought I'd make this little summer top from it. It has a 2-piece collar, which is actually, I believe, the very first 2-piece collar I have ever done. So I actually had to watch a couple YouTube videos about that to make sure I was doing it correctly, but once I kind of had an idea what I was doing, I was able to get it in first try. So I was pretty happy about that, and have made a couple since. Yeah, so it's got 4 buttons down the front. I think it's a very good kicking around the farm summer outfit. Maybe one more twirl. That is new look 6407, and very easy Vogue 9131. And I hope you're sewing. I hope these short little daily videos inspire you to sew, because sewing is so much fun. See you again.